Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about hair. Now because I'm always on camera, whether it's my YouTube videos or my Instagram shoots, I'm always on camera, because of which my hair also goes through a lot. There's crimping, heating, styling, curling, whatnot, and because of all the heat and styling, my hair had become super dry and frizzy, but not anymore. I found the perfect solution to tackle all of this and deal with the frizz of my hair. This is the Biolage SmoothProof Deep Smoothing 6-in-1 Serum. And do you see the difference, the transformation? It has been so amazing, guys. Today my hair is frizz-free, soft, shiny, smooth, healthy. Do you see how healthy my hair looks? I love how amazing my hair looks, guys. So in the salons where they do Biolage hair services, they actually use the serum after every Biolage service as a finisher. For me personally, this was a really good discovery because my hair was like super frizzy and super unruly, right? So when I went for a treatment, this is something that was recommended to me. I was told to use this at home and I was like, okay, let's do it, because it seems to be something that these professional hairdressers in the salons definitely vouch for and definitely like to use. Now guys, when it comes to any product, whether it's for my skin, whether it's for my hair, I like to know the ingredients, okay? So let me tell you what makes this particular serum so special and so effective. Number one, it contains the right ingredients. It contains hair superfoods like avocado, grapeseed oil. It also contains frizz taming polymers that makes your hair super nourished and prevents the hair from split ends. So before we proceed further, let's understand what this serum does, okay? So first things first, this is a professional hair serum, okay? Which you can use at home. Obviously, I've also been using at home, but it's a professional serum which you can use at home. And it has 6-in-1 benefits. This one serum has 6 benefits. So like I said, it's great for taming and controlling the frizz. It helps to smoothen the rough ends of your hair. So if you have split ends and all of those things, this will help you tremendously. It also protects the hair from humidity, adds instant shine, also nourishing the dry hair and instantly detangling your hair. As a result of which, obviously the hair looks absolutely fabulous and so amazing. It's frizz-free, detangled, soft, nourished, shiny, silky. I genuinely love how my hair has been looking of late because of this one serum that can do so many things. Now, here's the best thing. Using this is super easy, okay? You don't even have to go out of your way to accommodate this in your routine. All you have to do is pour, rub, and apply. So just take a few drops of the SmoothProof serum on your palm, rub your palm, spreading it across, and then just apply this on damp or dry hair. Keep in mind to apply this from your mid-length to the ends of your hair. Do not apply this on your scalp. And the results will be amazing and visible right after. So after this, if you want, you can style your hair. You can leave your hair as it is. Like I have left my hair as it is because it's frizz-free, healthy, looking good. It's looking smooth, so why not? I just left my hair as it is. Now talking about the different uses, the multi-uses of this serum and how it helps the hair. Well, number one, and this is very beneficial for someone like me, because like I said, I use a lot of heat styling, right? This actually protects your hair from damage against all the heat. So whether I'm using a straightener, curler, crimping machine, anything, using the serum makes me feel more confident. I know that my hair has been well protected. So yeah, one way to use this serum is to use it just before your heat styling of any kind of heat styling. You can use it just before your heat styling to protect your hair from the damage caused by this heat. Another way that I like to use this serum is after my blow drying. Just a little bit of the serum after the blow drying makes the hair so much more shinier, so much more smooth. And if you want that extra party shine, party styling for your hair, what you can do is you can take it up a notch by adding a few drops of the serum with your styling product for an added shine. Apply this to the hair and then style your hair as in whatever way you would like to style it. So do you see that sleek, shiny look of my hair? I love it, guys. So of course, not just while straightening, you can do this while curling your hair also for that extra shine just before a party. It's brilliant. And I don't know, guys, if you notice this or not, but this bottle is actually super handy to hold, use, and also to carry around in your handbag. It's a tiny, sleek bottle, right? So it's something that I like to carry around in my handbag when I'm traveling. And whenever I feel like I need to tame my hair a little bit, I'll just take a few drops, apply it all over my hair to protect my hair from the damage, from the frizziness caused by humidity. Another great use of this serum is to detangle the hair after showers. A lot of times, when you step out of the shower, your hair is like all tangled up and all jumbled up, and you're in a rush, so you're just like, doing whatever you can to quickly detangle it. But that leads to a lot of breakage, and it's horrifying, right, when that happens. So all you can do is, like, this is something that I love doing as well. After shower, I'll just take a few drops of this serum, apply this on my damp hair, and instantly the hair detangles and becomes super smooth, super awesome. So it's very, very handy because it reduces hair breakage, and also it reduces my detangling hair time, every morning. And here's a quick tip, guys. If you're going to be using this serum, and this is a tip that has come in very, very handy for me. If you're going to be using this serum, when you shampoo your hair, use the shampoo and the conditioner from the same range so that they work together beautifully and they amplify your results. So for this, I have with me the Biolage SmoothProof shampoo. This is designed to smoothen the frizzy hair. And I also have with me the Biolage SmoothProof conditioner, once again designed to smoothen frizzy hair. So yes, guys, both the shampoo and the conditioner are designed to smoothen frizzy hair. It's specifically designed to smoothen the frizzy hair, and that along with the serum that I have been talking about, today, which is so amazing for smoothing the frizzy hair. Can you imagine? The results will be so great. They all will work together in perfect harmony, and you will get brilliant results. Like, my hair is loving it, right? Okay, now moving forward, guys, I know a lot of you are wondering about the price. So let me quickly tell you. The Biolage SmoothProof shampoo, a 200 ml bottle retails for rupees 225, and a 400 ml bottle retails for rupees 420. The Biolage SmoothProof conditioner, the 98 gram tube retails for rupees 190, and 196 grams retails for rupees 350. As for the serum, there's a 100 ml bottle which retails for rupees 310. And of course, if you want to know more, I will share all the links with the details and everything else in the description box below. Overall, guys, I just have to say this, that this serum has been a genuine game changer for me. My hair has responded to it so beautifully, and I've been having so much of fun with my hair, like now I can style my hair, I can take care of my hair, I can keep my hair detangled all the time, and my hair is super, super happy with everything. It's always silky, shiny, smooth, detangled, and I am just like really happy about it. So thought of letting you guys know about this serum, and also this complete range in itself, actually, for that matter, the shampoo and the conditioner, which works really well with the serum. So yeah, that's all I want to share in today's video, guys. If you still have any questions, please share questions in the comment section below. If you have tried this range, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. I would love to hear from you guys. And also, while you're checking the description box and writing your comments, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.